Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing well today. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I blow dry my very porous dead hair. I know, I don't blow dry my hair often, and I actually wanted to try my new blow dryer, which I will be showing to you guys right now. And it's from the brand Irresistible Me. They did send this to me so that I can share it with you guys. So this is called the Black Diamond Professional Ionic Hair Dryer. So as I have mentioned, my hair had a platinum card and I've done a lot of color in my hair. I usually don't flat iron my hair that often, just so because I feel like it's very damaging, though there are heat settings of course, but if I can just blow dry my hair straight, that's basically like my go-to all the time. So today I'm going to show you guys how this baby works. As you guys could see, it is very compact. Let me do a little side by side with my contour powder from Wet n Wild. That's what the size looks like. It has weight into it. So it has this beautiful, more of like bronzy rose gold metallic finish, and the full component, it's more of like rubberized. It has a little bit of weight on it. You can see that the exhaust is there in the back as the usual. And I really like it because you can feel like it's luxurious, and I love anything that comes with weight. It means it's very durable, and you can see the cool shot over there. And then it has 6 speed and heat settings, which is really nice. And if your hair is damaged like mine, you can take out the heat. So one of the things that I love about this hair dryer is that it comes with 2 styling nozzles. So these are called concentrators. I have tried this before, and this one I haven't tried it. So it's a little bit wider. And the purpose of that one is to, of course, from the word concentrate, the air would focus in one spot. So it really makes everything dry faster. Because what I notice when I'm blow drying my hair without a nozzle like this, my hair tends to be so frizzy and so scattered, and it's just all over the place. So the cord of this blow dryer is pretty long. It's 2.5, so it's not something that is like exaggeratedly long or super short. I think it's just the right amount of length. So that's pretty good. And the cord, it feels very sturdy. It's not rotatable, but it feels very strong altogether. So the reason why I stopped talking for a while, you guys, is because I want you guys to hear. So we did a little blow test on how strong the air is coming out from this tiny blow dryer. I was quite shocked. I did own a lot of blow dryers in my lifetime, and that is only because I always end up, blow drying my hair all the time because I am very experimental when it comes to color. So blow dry is basically my technique if I wanted to hide my very damaged hair. So for someone like me that has long hair, so usually what I do is that I just do the hand trick where I just flip my hair like that and go ham on it with the blow dryer. I'm using the strongest air and the medium heat so that my hair doesn't, get heat damage. But because this one has that ionic generator for sleek and shiny hair, it's not going to damage that much. And I also use a heat protector for my hair as well, of course. And I do a hair treatment once a week. But as you guys can see, my hair is in a very weird state right now. It's just falling off, and I'm already close to cutting it off. But I still want to keep the length because when I curl my hair, it does look good though. But of course, if it's straight, you guys will see it later. So usually I section my hair into 4 equal parts and then just dry them every corner. And then after that, I will be using a round brush to dry it further and make it straight looking. So the purpose of the cool shot is to lock it in place. So if you want to do curls with a blow dryer, what you can do is that you can use a round brush and curl it in the round brush and do a cool shot afterwards. Wish I can show you guys, but kind of like a little bit in a rush right now. I don't want to take all day to style my hair. So I'm going to grab my round brush just like that and work my way in. So usually I do tiny little sections, but if I want to be where I want to be in a certain time, this is what I typically do. So far, so good. I really love the feeling that this blow dryer is not flimsy at all. It feels really good. And you know what? You won't believe. I finished less than 10 minutes. So in my opinion, that's kind of like mind-blowing for me. Just so because if your hair is like super damaged, it becomes very, very porous. So sometimes when your hair is so damaged, you take a bath, take a shower, your hair is wet, it's going to feel like a wet mop. And if you let it air dry, it would take hours. And when I say hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, not even exaggerating, feels wet. So there are times that I even wake up in the morning and some parts of my hair is still wet. I know it's crazy. It's so unbelievable, but it is what it is. So I don't really comb my hair when I do that hand trick. And then when it is more of like, let's say like 70% dry, that's the time I'm only going to use either a brush or round brush. But make sure that you also, if your hair is like super matted, make sure that you use a detangler, of course. So I'm going to work my way on this second part of my hair. I only have like 2 clips because only God knows where my clips are at right now. I just found my other hair clips when I just finished filming. So I'm just going to do my hand trick. By the way, how are you guys? So while I'm doing this, because I already explained to you guys like how I typically do my hair, so I'm just going to finish it just like that. I've been dealing with a lot of, I don't know if it's the coronavirus that's really getting into me, but I feel extremely, extremely insecure right now. Like, I am so overweight. I can't even stress it enough. You're probably going to say like, oh, I should do something. I don't know why, what's wrong, what's happening. I just can't work out at home for some reason. I don't know why. I had like a lot of anxiety attacks when I'm filming. It's just so difficult. I've never been this huge in my entire life. You're probably going to say like, Jess, you're not even that big. Like, but girl, trust me, I just have a tiny face, but like, I know I can do better, and I'm having a hard time breathing because of the weight gain. It's just so ridiculous. And I look at myself in the mirror and it's just so sad for me. But anyway, let's look on the brighter side. This is what my hair looks like when it is 90% dry. And as you guys can see, my hair is shiny. You probably think like it's not shiny enough for me, but trust me, my hair could have been worse, but this is what it looks like 90% dry. I love how it looks like, and I did my hair like super, super fast. The way it blew air out of that tiny little thing was so impressive. Like, I just can't believe it. I love it. So I just like typically like separate my head. You see that healthy hair growing out. So it might end up in a bob. But sometimes if I wanted to curl the ends, I'm going to do my rolling brush like that and just use a concentrator. And then after that, use a cool shot. So that is it. Like, super easy, quick fix. Obviously, I badly need like a healthy cut. But I want to keep the length for now because I know that if I cut my hair short, I'm going to be sad and frustrated. But we'll see in the future. So as a cosmetology student, I would say that this blow dryer feels and performs very professionally. And also, it is not flimsy. Good thing is that the nozzle, it does not melt. Of course, I shop all the time at Ross, Burlington, TJ Maxx. Most of their nozzles or concentrators or anything that you attach, they melt right off, and ending result is that I can't even use the concentrators anymore. But this one, it looks exactly the same. All of the component in this blow dryer, I must say that it is very, very well made. Now, I'm not just saying that because they just, provided this for me. Of course, I'm not going to upload this video if I don't truly believe in this product. But this definitely saves you so much time. The performance is so good. Of course, in the future, I'll give you guys an update. And of course, I really love it because it is very travel friendly. It is on sale right now. Actually, when I looked it up on the website, original price is $100+, and right now it is only $59. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I decided to, really dolled up today because I want to feel good about myself, and it did. So hope you guys enjoy this entire week. I know it's been rough, but we are all in this together. Stay safe.